Today, we'll be talking about the 9 best WordPress tutorials and blogs for beginners, so we'll be sharing the top WordPress tutorial sites that'll help you get your site up and running in no time. If you're wanting step-by-step WordPress tutorials, there's no better place to start than with WP Beginner. You'll learn everything from choosing a domain name and website hosting to personalizing and customizing your site with plugins and more. WP Beginner's been around since 2009, and it's the top resource for those who are looking for help on anything WordPress related. Another excellent resource for learning WordPress is WordPress. On the WordPress.com Learn site, you can find everything from configuring basic settings, choosing a theme, adding widgets, and getting the word out about your new site. Now, if you'd prefer to just watch one long video to learn everything you need to know about WordPress, then the freeCodeCamp hour and 45-minute long video covers everything from choosing a host to creating pages and posts. Just keep in mind that many of the freeCodeCamp's videos go far beyond the beginner level. And there's also WP Beginner's WordPress 101 video tutorials that will teach you to create and manage your site for free. You just need to sign up for free access, and then you can choose the video tutorials that'll take you through all the steps that you need to know when setting up your site. Now, once you get your site up and running, you'll need beginner tutorials on topics that will help you to branch out even further. Now, to track your website's traffic, you'll need to install Google Analytics. And the easiest way to do that in WordPress is with MonsterInsights. Just check out our guide on installing Google Analytics on your WordPress site. And once it's set up, be sure to visit the MonsterInsights blog for more tutorials and helpful content, like how to see the Google Analytics keywords for your site, how to track file downloads in Google Analytics the easy way, how to set up enhanced e-commerce in Google Analytics step by step, and other great articles. Of course, you'll want to attract more traffic to your site, and that means you'll need to master SEO basics. You'll find one of the best resources to do that is All-in-One SEO. All-in-One SEO is the best SEO plugin for WordPress. It has tons of features that will help you optimize your site's SEO and create sitemaps, add optimized titles and content, and meta descriptions to your pages and posts. You'll find articles on the All-in-One SEO site like how to perform an SEO analysis of your WordPress website, how to write meta descriptions for SEO, and how to find long-tail keywords and increase organic traffic, and a lot more. You'll be needing contact forms for your WordPress site, so you'll want to check out WPForms, the best forms plugin for WordPress. WPForms has excellent tutorials on everything from creating simple forms to complex surveys, forms that can accept payments, adding newsletter sign-up checkboxes to your forms, and a lot more. On a WPForms site, you'll find great tutorials, for an example like how to create an online event registration form, how to create a multi-step form in WordPress, and the best WordPress podcast plugins. Now, to get visitors to your site to take action, you'll want to visit OptinMonster.com. It's the best lead generation plugin for WordPress, and it'll help you capture leads from those who wouldn't have otherwise converted. And you can use their drag-and-drop editor to create an irresistible offer and then show it to your visitors at just the right time. OptinMonster has tons of tutorials that'll help you get more conversions on your site, show you how to create winning email campaigns, and a lot more. For an example, on OptinMonster.com, you'll find great tutorials like how to add an email opt-in to WordPress in under 5 minutes, how to generate more leads from your website, 9 expert tips, and how to grow your email list fast, 80+ proven methods, and a lot more. And you'll want to create landing pages for your site as well. There's no better plugin to do that than SeedProd. Now, you can use their drag-and-drop builder to make any type of page that you need, whether it's a landing page, a coming soon page, an opt-in page, or something else. SeedProd posts lots of WordPress tutorials on landing pages and more on their blog, so you'll want to be sure to check those out. For an example, how to make a one-page website in WordPress step by step, how to add testimonials to WordPress pages, 3 easy methods, and what is a dynamic landing page, how to make one in WordPress. Now, if you'd like to join an entire community of people that are building and working on WordPress websites, then WP Beginner has an exclusive Facebook group called WPBeginner Engage, where you can not only talk to others, but get your WordPress questions answered by experts. Now, to join, all you have to do is request to join the WP Beginner Engage Facebook group. Now, with MonsterInsights, you get the website stats that matter. See why we're used by more than 3 million websites. You can get a special discount by visiting the link in the description. And be sure you check out these helpful videos. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more tutorials, explainers, and helpful content just like this. We'll see you next time.